And I think the important thing about today is it's all about disappointing economic numbers, global economic numbers, disappointing numbers in China, disappointing numbers in the United States, U.S. industrial production numbers lower than expected, U.S. retail sales lower than expected, and the mirror image, rather bizarrely, over in China. China retail sales disappointing, China industrial production disappointing. What's it all mean? You get a flight to quality, so you get the bond market moving to the upside. I don't normally put up bond yields, but this has got everybody talking. We're sitting there right near new lows in the bond yields in the 10-year, and of course, that's got knock-on effects in the stock markets. What do you think is weak today going into the open here? How about bank stocks are having some problems? Those retail sales, look, banks there, the retail sales numbers not helping the retailers, of course. We've got issues with the trade wars as well. Industrials are weak, too, on those global concerns. And, of course, the dollar's stronger, so all the emerging markets, Brazil's down, everything else is down. And what's up? The utilities are up. So this is a pretty standard reaction when you get weak global economic numbers here. Take a look at Alibaba. I know you talked about it this morning, but really the numbers were a surprise. This is 100% China company. Strong quarter. The guidance for 2020 fiscal year was good. Retail revenues up 45% year over year. That was way ahead of the estimates. Revenue guidance 33% year over year growth, way ahead of the numbers. What's going on here? They're like Amazon. They're capturing a bigger and bigger share of the market over in China, even as the economy is slowing. That's a pretty neat trick. It's an Amazon trick. And you can see Alibaba, which has been down this month on trade concerns, trading to the upside today. About the IPO market, they were talking about Beyond Meat and all that. A little bit of fraying here, not too badly, but we did have an IPO that was postponed. PIMCO Mortgage Income Trust, which is a residential mortgage REIT supposed to price, did not. Market conditions, all right, we'll let that one pass. We did have a downsized IPO as well that is going to be trading here. Postal Realty Trust, this is a REIT, another REIT, they license property to the U.S. Postal Service. That one was downsized, 4.5 million shares. If you put that up, 4.5 million shares at $17. That was below the range that they had here. 19 to 21 was the price talk there. As you can see that. So there's a downsized IPO we're going to have today. Let's just see how the ones priced tonight go, because we've got some big ones pricing. We have Avantor, which is a big lab supply. That's going to be the biggest one of the week. Luckin Coffee, China Coffee, called the Starbucks of China. We'll see how that does. And Fastly, which is a cloud platform company. Let's give these three a chance and see what we have before we start saying the IPO market is slowing down. Right now, I'll just say a little bit of a speed bump.